I'm from Cardiff. I actually started the company here, and it's the place that I want to live. And actually Cardiff is a thriving media community now, so actually I'm quite glad I never moved. We did set up companies in London as well, but we've always come back, and this is now our main headquarters, and it's the place that we want to live, and I've got the right talent and team here as well. We're recruiting at the moment. The quality of the workforce here is excellent, but actually we are attracting people from further afield. So we're getting lots of inquiries from London and Bristol. So there's lots of people willing to travel to Cardiff and actually make Cardiff and Wales their home. There's also great universities here, so the new entrants are also of a very high calibre. I love living in Cardiff. I've lived here all my life. I'm actually just outside of Cardiff, but I can cycle into work. I can get back quickly and pick up the kids or do anything I need to do. I've got countryside. I can get to the beaches, get to the mountains. It's pretty much the same cell as a location film crew. Cardiff and Wales has everything, so you've got the lifestyle and the convenience, and you're not travelling all the time. It's pretty easy to get across Cardiff or anywhere in a short amount of time. The traffic's good, and I just love it here.